Ever wondered what this is for? This exercise is called a tricep extension, and this works, you guessed it, your triceps, which if you're ever concerned about what we call the Hello Susans, that's a great exercise to add in. Now, with tricep extensions, you are not trying to get some crazy PR. You're not trying to lift a ton of weight, just a tiny amount of weight with precision. So you're going to bend forward at the waist. You want to get your back as flat as a table if you can. You want to make sure you're not hunched over. I've seen this one too many times. You want to pull those shoulder blades back. Elbows are pinned to your rib cage, and you're going to extend and squeeze and then bring that dumbbell in. Some things that you want to avoid with this, so you are targeting the right muscles, is when you set up, you don't want to be standing up too high. The goal is that you're creating a different angle to train your triceps, which is going to be in a horizontal plane, hence why you bend forward. So that's going to be tip number one. Tip number two is when you set up, I want you to pull your shoulder blades back. So notice the difference. Pull back, glue your elbows in, and then make sure you're not just hammering out tons of reps here. If you are, it's probably too light. So be careful with that, and you don't want to do anything weird with your wrists. So those are some don'ts, so that way you can clean up your tricep extension so that it's effective. Save this video, come back to it, try it out, and let me know how it went.